Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And last month, the Hakka certification test came out, and they already have the results. And I heard it's an improvement this year. 聽說呢，這個客語的這個認證呢，上個月吧放榜了，對不對？
96年度嘅客家語言能力認證初級嘅考試哦，
出爐了。那很可惜的，小弟我沒有去考。明年嘛哈。Yeah, next year maybe I should take this test since I've been doing this Hakka lesson on ICRT for some time now. But congratulations to all the people who passed, because I heard a total of almost 7,000 people took the test. 聽說好像將近7000人有去報名參加，對不對
？6998啥？
哦，6998
差兩啥？
少我一個人就
差你老矮啊！
哎，我們兩個去就7000了。哎呀，早知道就應該去考試，讓這個數字更漂亮一點哦。And I heard the trend is getting younger too. 最年輕的是幾歲啊？6歲哦，6歲是不是？然後聽說不止一個人，是兩個小朋友，對不對？6歲以內。哎，so it's really, really interesting. There were actually 2 kids who are only 6 years old that took the test. 然後最老的到幾歲？82歲。82歲是不是？
今年啦。
Okay, so again, it's a wide range this year. For anyone from 6 years old to 82 years old have taken the test and passed. And I heard the acceptance rate is up to about 75%. 其實大概有75%的人都有通過嘛。對對對，還好我今年沒有考，要不然我會淪落成那個25%裡面。對對，這樣就很丟臉了。
有痴心型。
哦，好。對啊，其實 Alice 一直給我很多信心，真的。But anyways, I want to teach people a couple of words, especially if you're taking a test. We usually say, 哎，你有沒有合格還是不合格？英文的話都會說 pass 還是 no pass， 對不對？我們教一下大家 pass 合格怎麼說？
合格。
哦，這其實跟台語有點像了哦。台語好像是合格，客家話是
合格。
Okay, that's pass. 那如果 no pass，
合格。
Okay, that would be me. So it seems like a lot of people are taking this test right now, and it's a great thing. If you can walk around with a Hakka certificate, you can say, hey, I'm approved to speak Hakka. And if you didn't try it out this year, maybe next year. And you have one more year to learn from our ICRT Hakka lesson. That's it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.